I hope you've been noticing that Parent Enhancement Program is putting together a mastermind workshop. This mastermind workshop is from the 25th to the 29th. We're going to have four coaches that are teaching in their own style. Okay, so the first coach is going to be talking about the neuroscience of the brain and how important self-care is to you. Not only that, we'll be talking about these toddlers, those little tiny little people that run us ragged. We'll be talking about patience, how you can develop patience in your life and your family life. We'll be talking about those crazy teenagers that are just like make us crazy because they want to be their own people. They want to be their own adults. So, Parent Enhancement Program, workshop, be there at the end of the month. We might have some drawings. We might have some great gifts. No might. We will. So, register as soon as you can and be with us at the end of the month. Thank you.